Hello everyone, this is Anuj Paul and welcome to my channel GyanWithAnuj. This video is part of the series Demystifying AI ML for beginners. In this video, I will share information on different type of ML models and when to use which one. Now before starting on different ML models, let's recap on what is an ML model and what is an ML problem. ML model is nothing but a program that executes an algorithm and given an input data set, it identifies and learns the data patterns in the different attributes of the data set and the correlation between those attributes and predicts an output for a new set of similar data. Now, in some cases, ML model is fed both the input and the output and it learns the correlation accordingly, and in some cases, ML model learns on its own. Now, not all business problems need ML to solve them. We should use ML when the input data set is pretty large, the relations between the attributes of the data set are pretty complex, and it's difficult to predict the output basis some simple business logic. When we say different ML model types, we are referring to different ML problem types, different algorithms that are available to solve for those ML problem types, and the different learning approaches that we use to train the ML model. First differentiation is based on how ML model learns from the input data set. And there are two types, supervised and unsupervised. In supervised learning, ML model is fed both the input data attributes or features and the output as well, which is labeled. Now, for example, an ML model that is required to predict the salary of an individual is fed the job profile, the industry, the city, the education and other such input features, and is also fed the salary of each individual. Now, the model will learn the correlations between these input features and the salary, and then it can predict the salary of any individual given these input features. Supervised learning solves for classification and regression problems. Now, classification can be binary classification like true false kind of classification, or it can be known categories like sunny, rainy, cloudy for an weather, right? So that's classification. Regression is when we are looking for a continuous prediction, or in simple words, a numerical prediction like stock trends, or the above example of salary prediction. Now, in both these cases, ML model learns the patterns by learning from the input attributes and the output together. Unsupervised learning is where the ML model is only fed the input features and not provided the output levels. So, the model will identify the data patterns from the input features on its own and will try to categorize or group the data based on its own learning. For example, an ML model can categorize customer cohorts based on customer behavior or shopping patterns. Similarly, it can identify different associations like a customer who buys X also buys Y. Unsupervised learning solves for clustering or grouping of unknown categories and association kind of ML problem types. It is used when the correlation between the attributes is complex and we are not looking for a very precise kind of a prediction. The training of unsupervised learning need not be monitored, unlike supervised learning where we train the model first and then we test it and then we let it work on the real time traffic. In case of unsupervised learning, the model will learn the patterns from the input data set and it will start applying the same to the real time data to predict or to categorize information. There are different subtypes for each of these learning methods or model types, and accordingly there are different algorithms that are used. Now, a full list of algorithms will be a separate dive deep. So, For the purpose of this video, I will just list down some common algorithms that is used in both supervised and unsupervised learning. The common supervised learning algorithms are k nearest neighbor, support vector machines or SVM, random forest, naivebayes, and so on. The common unsupervised learning algorithms are k-means clustering, principal component analysis or PCA, hierarchical clustering, or more complex neural networks. Hope this video provided a high level understanding of different ML model types. I will keep sharing more dive deep on each of these model types as I learn more. Keep watching and share your comments, knowledge from your own ML journey. Please do subscribe if you like these videos. Have a great day.